Hello, welcome to my channel. While the world has entered a revolutionary change process in military technologies, one of the vehicles that stands out in this transformation is the KF51 Panther EVO. Developed by Germany's famous defense industry company Rheinmetall, this tank stands out as the harbinger of a new era in the world of armored vehicles. So what does this technological marvel promise? Let's take a closer look at the KF51 Panther EVO, which will shape what the wars of the future will look like. This tank is not just one of the traditional battle tanks, it is a war machine equipped with modern technologies. Equipped with technologies such as artificial intelligence-supported targeting, active protection systems and remote control, the Panther EVO has the capacity to move much faster, more effectively and strategically on the battlefield. In addition, thanks to its modular design, the tank can be customized according to the speed and requirements of the war. In other words, it is not just a tank, but a vehicle that takes shape according to dynamic and changing war conditions. The design of the KF51 Panther EVO is built to adapt to today's difficult war conditions and future threats. The use of this new generation combat vehicle in both land and air-supported operations will allow for the versatile implementation of military strategies. This tank brings not only power but also a new way of thinking about the military. So will the KF51 Panther EVO really shape the future of warfare? Or will it just be a huge investment? To answer these questions, let's take a deep look at the tank's design, features, and potential. The KF51 Panther EVO is not just an armored vehicle, it stands out as a revolution that aims to transform the understanding of future warfare. While developing this tank, Rheinmetall took into account not only current military needs but also future threats and war strategies. The tank was specially designed to adapt to the wars of the 21st century and is equipped with the latest technologies for this purpose. In today's world where modern warfare is becoming increasingly complex, the KF51 Panther EVO has extraordinary capabilities to adapt to these changing conditions. In particular, artificial intelligence-supported targeting systems, active protection systems and remote control features are among the most important elements that distinguish the tank from traditional combat vehicles. Future wars will transform into an arena where speed, agility and correct decisions are much more critical. The KF51 Panther EVO promises to be several steps ahead of its competitors by optimizing all three factors on the battlefield. This tank was designed to pose a faster and more effective threat to enemies. In addition, its modular design allows the Panther EVO to be used not only as a tank, but also as a versatile combat platform. The tank can be customized to adapt to different combat scenarios. This allows the KF51 Panther EVO to be used effectively in both ground and air-supported operations. Thus, the tank becomes a vehicle that can serve not only armored units, but also air defense and reconnaissance missions. As a result, the KF51 Panther EVO is designed as a vehicle that can lead to radical changes in military strategies not only for Germany but also worldwide. This tank, which will shape the wars of the future, has a technology that will adapt to every aspect of modern warfare. The KF51 Panther EVO is a pinnacle of modern tank technology, offering a major evolution in both defensive and offensive capabilities. Rheinmetall took into account both current and future combat needs when building this tank, resulting in an impressive piece of engineering. The tank is armed with a 130mm smoothbore gun. This gun can engage targets with high precision using both armor-piercing rounds and advanced ammunition. This gun allows the KF51 Panther EVO to penetrate modern armor and be more effective at long-range fire. In addition, the tank's ammunition carrying capacity has been kept quite large to ensure operational continuity. This makes the Panther EVO an effective vehicle with high firepower even in long-term battles. In terms of armor protection, the KF51 Panther EVO's hull is reinforced with high-strength composite armor, supported by modern active protection systems. This armor makes the tank resistant to enemy fire, while the APS, active protection system, protects the tank against rocket launchers and anti-tank missiles. This feature significantly increases its survivability on the battlefield. The tank's mobility is quite high thanks to its advanced hybrid drive system. The combination of electric and diesel engines allows the KF51 Panther EVO to move quickly and agilely in difficult terrain conditions. Its rapid response ability allows the tank to break through enemy lines and quickly reach strategic areas. Advanced intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance systems, C4I, optimize command and control networks, making the KF51 Panther EVO not only an armored vehicle, but also a fully integrated combat platform. The tank can work in perfect harmony with other vehicles on the battlefield, thus increasing efficiency and coordination to much higher levels. These technical features make the KF51 Panther EVO a fighting machine designed to provide great superiority over its opponents. As a tank equipped with highly advanced technologies and engineering marvels, the KF51 Panther EVO naturally has high production and operating costs. Innovative materials, sophisticated systems and production techniques used in Rheinmetall's design process significantly increase the costs of this tank. The tank's production costs are particularly evident with the advanced composite armor and active protection systems used. Although such systems increase the survivability rate on the battlefield, they increase the prices of technological materials and engineering solutions used in the production process. In addition, the 130mm gun and high-precision ammunition are also an additional cost factor. Operating costs are quite high due to the KF51 Panther EVO's advanced systems and hybrid drive technology. Although modern engine technology provides high fuel efficiency, operational expenses such as maintenance and spare part replacement create a constant cost. The tank's active protection systems and C4I systems are also among the elements that need to be regularly updated and maintained. As a result, the advanced technology of the KF51 Panther EVO makes it an effective combat vehicle while also making it costly in terms of operation. However, these high costs make this investment worthwhile for some countries, considering the operational superiority provided by the tank and its effectiveness on the battlefield. Although the KF51 Panther EVO has many significant advantages over its competitors on the modern battlefield, it also has some disadvantages. These advantages and disadvantages are the determining factors in terms of the tank's combat effectiveness and operating costs. Advanced armor and protection systems. The KF51 Panther EVO stands out with its advanced active protection systems and modular armor structure. This protects the tank not only from traditional ammunition, but also from modern missile attacks. This feature is one of the biggest advantages that distinguishes the tank from its competitors. High speed and maneuverability. The tank offers high speed and maneuverability thanks to its powerful engine and hybrid drive system. This makes it much more dynamic with the ability to quickly change positions on the battlefield. Modern technology integration. Technologies such as C4I, command, control, communication and computer integration, artificial intelligence supported systems and remotely controlled weapons make the KF51 Panther EVO a highly compatible and effective combat vehicle. High costs. The high technology of the KF51 Panther EVO increases the production and operating costs of the tank. This can be a budget-busting factor for many countries. In addition, high costs can create limitations on the widespread use of the tank. Challenging maintenance and logistics requirements. Advanced systems and technologies can make the tank difficult to maintain and provide logistical support. Complex structures can prolong spare part supply and maintenance, which can reduce operational efficiency. Size and weight. The KF51 Panther EVO's high armor and advanced weapon system make the tank heavier and bulkier than some of its competitors. This can make maneuvering difficult, especially in narrow terrain, and create logistical obstacles for transportation. In conclusion, although the KF51 Panther EVO is an advanced combat vehicle compared to its competitors, it also has disadvantages such as high costs and logistical difficulties. However, its advantages based on modern technologies can make it an effective tool in future wars. The KF51 Panther EVO stands out as a tank that stands at the peak of modern warfare technology. With its advanced armor, high maneuverability and integrated technologies, it can provide significant superiority on the battlefield. Features such as the tank's active protection systems and hybrid drive technology give it a great advantage over its opponents. In addition, its artificial intelligence-supported systems and remotely controlled weapons make the tank a vehicle suitable for future wars. These features make the KF51 Panther EVO more efficient, dynamic and agile in combat. However, this high technology brings with it great costs. Production costs and operational expenses are quite high. In addition, logistical difficulties and the complexity of maintenance requirements can limit the tank's effectiveness. This can make the KF51 Panther EVO an expensive and risky investment for some countries. In conclusion, although the KF51 Panther EVO has great potential as a tank of the future, it may not be suitable for every country, given its high costs and maintenance requirements. Therefore, whether the tank will be widely used in the future will vary depending on budgets and strategic needs. Could the KF51 Panther EVO have a significant place on the battlefield of the future? While this modern tank is an impressive feat of engineering with the technology and capabilities it offers, it also has its challenges, such as high costs and maintenance requirements. The tank's advanced features may give it a strategic advantage in combat, but it's clear that the costs and operational challenges that come with this technology don't make it viable for every country. So what do you think about whether the KF51 Panther EVO is a vehicle that shapes the future of warfare? Are the high costs and advanced technology enough to make this tank a valuable investment? You may have different opinions on this subject. Perhaps you would like to discuss how such high-tech vehicles can be integrated into defense strategies, considering the innovations and advantages offered by the KF51 Panther EVO. Or perhaps you think that such tanks pose a greater risk to countries with limited budgets. Join the discussion by sharing your views in the comments section. If you want to learn more about this topic and follow other similar topics, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By turning on notifications, you can follow our latest content without missing it. Your opinions are very valuable too.